So it's time to install the new speaker, and it's this one right here, and it's very simple. You have to remove 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it should just come off. So I have it hooked up now. Now turn on the car and make sure it works before you put it back on the door. This is the end result. It works. I tried to play Pandora and record, but I couldn't because it would turn off when I would do that. So trust me, it works. It's very loud. I like it. Finally, I got speakers on all 4 sides, brand new, same brand. So definitely follow my other videos in case you're interested to know what you need to fit this one, because you need an aftermarket bracket to fit this one. Now the other speakers that I have are way bigger and did not fit here, so I had to put those in the back because the magnet was too big and it would hit on the back. But anyways, like, share, and follow, guys. Before I close and put my door panel back on, let me show you. I have power windows on my CRX. This is SPA universal power windows, and I am using the, I believe it's Integra first generation kit right here, the pigtails, and it fits on the JDM or EDM power window switches, right? This is right hand drive, so I have to like flip it down, but it works. Fitment is perfect. I can actually put the cover back on. In case you were interested on the power windows, here it is. Like I said, these are right hand drive, so I have to flip it down, but it works. See, in case you're interested on doing this, then I actually made a how-to and I posted it on the crxcommunity.com, and I believe I named it ED SPA power window install or something like that. If you want to know, I can actually look for it and post the link or send you the link in case you're interested in doing this. And yes, I have it over here too. Don't mind my mess right now, but see, car is not on, so it goes a little bit slow right now. Instead of buying the whole power windows and what do you call that, the thing that goes inside, I forgot, you can just buy the universal SPA. And yes, you're gonna have this hole right here. I actually had a cap, but I lost it. Somebody made 3D printed ones and it said Honda on it, but I lost it. I'm gonna see if I can actually find the person that made them. If your power windows ever go bad or you have the batteries dead or whatever, let me show you. It actually comes with one of these, and just put it in there. Make sure it goes the right way. Once you have it the right way, just turn it that way and the window will slide down, as you can see. Just turn it the other way to go back up, and that's just in case of an emergency, in case your battery is dead or you have no power at all to put it up with the switch. Then it comes with this. This video was about my speakers. There it is. Like, share, and follow, guys.